Hello YouTube, how have you been? Each time we request Composer to install a new package, we can use it in our code immediately. How is it possible? We don't need to use require or include statements anymore. Let's find out. Today we are gonna talk about Composer autoloading system. Sounds good? Let's get started. Firstly, let's install another package and check what's changed in Composer files. Composer require PSR container. Okay, a new package was installed, and we see that there are 6 new corrections in the project: composer.json, composer.log files, and vendor composer files. In each file, information about the new package was added. And let's take a look at autoload PSR4 file. There is an information about each package installed, and it contains the path to the catalog where all needed PHP files exist. So, in the main PHP file, we have a vendor autoload PHP file required. Then, it is composer autoload real PHP. And here we have all options for autoloading, including the most important, autoload PSR4 file. So, what have we found out? The composer downloads all files of a requested package and add information about it into his local autoload files. That's why we can use new resources in our project. Now, let's try to create a custom PHP class and use this technique in order to autoload our class. I'm going to remove the last package, composer remove PSR container, and I want to use a new object in the main script. Supposing everything works fine, I am creating the object of user class and send the name of the user into log file. Now I am supposed to create this class. And let's say there is a name property, a constructor, and a getter. This class is in testlib/test class namespace, but in lib directory, that is the root directory of the project. Okay, it looks nice, but if I try to run the script, it will throw the error, because the class is not found. We need to tell the PHP where this file is, and here the composer can help us. It's better to use Composer because usually it is installed in the project and it controls the autoloading. So we don't want to separate our custom classes from all libraries that installed by Composer. Well, let's add the PSR4 block into composer JSON file. It says that the testlib test class namespace is in lib directory. And now we need to ask Composer to bind this path with real files. So we go to the composer dump autoload command. After that, we can run the script and check that there is a new entry in the log file. Okay, now we can add as many new classes in the project as we want to and manage them via the composer. It's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.